to leave to go to the dealership. Also, my new nails. I wanted to maybe like just insert a clip for you guys of me driving my car for the last time yesterday because it was a pretty weird situation. I just like want to share it with you guys. So cut to that clip. I feel like this is a moment to document because I think this is the last time I'm driving this car, and I love this car, but she's like 16 or 17 years old. It's a 2008 Ford Fusion SEL V6, and she's been in the dumps. She has just been a beater car for me, just trying to like get her through it. I've been trying to drive her to the ground basically. She's very loud, and do you want to know why she's loud? My catalytic converter like fell apart from my exhaust. Oh my god, I can hear it. And we had it held together with a soup can for about almost 2 years. It was held together, and it just fell off. And I have an appointment scheduled tomorrow to buy a new car. What? The timing. If you can get a beater car in your beginning of your life as a teenager, I think it is a good way to go. But I just thought this was a funny thing I could just do a little document here, because I'll incorporate this in the new car vlog if I do one, as a little memory, because I'm gonna miss her. I loved her so much. She's very loud. Let's just listen. I'm gonna miss her. Yeah. To be continued with my new car. Can you see my face? You go like this to go up and down.
Okay.
Can you see me?
Yeah, perfectly.
I bought the car.
Yeah, she bought the car.
I'm so excited. A room so that we can get all the financing approved, and then I get it in 2 days. Here she is. I get to pick it up 2 days from now. We're in my new car. I'm gonna throw up. Oh my god. Ignore the Shoppers parking lot logo. Guys, I want to cry. This is honestly, I have to thank you guys for this, because you guys, this is our car. And I know my YouTube community is so small and so cutesy, but I am just so excited to have this like moment with you. Like, I'm sharing this with you, and this is our car. This is our sunroof, guys. This is our sunroof. Like, I can't believe this. Like, you guys got me this car. Like, and this new era, this 2026 era. And it's crazy because make the mood board. This was one of the things that I put on my mood board for 2026, and it's only February. Yes, manifesting, people are like, whatever, like, it's not gonna work. But you have to work towards the goals. You can't just like put the picture on a mood board and be like, oh, I want it to happen. You have to work towards that. So you have to be that person that owns that new car. Like, you have to act like you are already living that life to be able to have it happen. Like, it doesn't just happen. You have to work for it. Guys, OMG! Look at her, look at her! Excuse my hair. Desperately need to wash my hair. But dollar store haul for my car / my girls' night. This stuff wasn't from the dollar store, but we got little foot masks for our girls' night tonight. And then I just got these immunity shots because you guys know me and these immunity shots are best friends. Literally, ever since I've been trying to buy this car and like the stress and working and extra Valentine's Day work and all this stuff, I have been stressed that we don't want to get sick. So dollar store birdseed, because I have to feed the squirrels and the birds outside the window because the cats they just love it. So for our girls' night tonight, for our bathroom, because we need more soap for the bathroom. Band-aids, because we need more band-aids for the bathroom. A cat toy for the cat. Okay, this stuff, more girls' night stuff for our house. This stuff is for the car. Okay. So I got these. These are just cheap at the dollar store, and I have leather seats. So hopefully these are good. I don't know. Maybe I should look up the ingredients in here so it doesn't ruin my seats. But it's supposed to like protect the leather seats. Don't know. Maybe we'll look that up on ChatGPT just to be sure. And then I just got hair ties because it's good to have hair ties in your car, like all the time. I got cute little boxes to put in this big basket in the back. I got these 2 little containers. Maybe I'll leave like band-aids in the car, the hair ties and stuff, and like gum and stuff in these containers. I'm in the Michael's parking lot, my home, my second home. I feel like we have a little... Is that better? Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. That is like the cutest thing ever. I have never seen anything like this. Oh my god, I need to get this. This is so cool. That's crazy. Look at how cool these are. Is crazy. Like, I've always had to makeshift things, like make things to put my clay in the oven, like out of tinfoil. I've had to make little cones, or you could do the cornstarch thing. This might be like a game changer. It was $10 and I was like, this actually might be like amazing. And then I got a new sketchbook and it's just like a square one. Like, I'm trying to get back into my sketching. And I want to do like little artist vlogs where, you know, we go to a little coffee shop and we do some art and just like, yeah, just have fun little things. Okay, I had to get this. I honestly thought this was the cutest thing ever. I can just put this in the background of my videos or something. Like, this is so cute. It's like a little bucket with the Michaels logo on it. Hello, that's so cute. I'm trying to do more painting as well. So 2 oval canvases, which are really cool. That would be cool. Do something to put in my house. I got UV resin because for my Michaels video I need resin. I got this really cool holographic paint. I will be glazing / covering my little project that I'm working on for this Michaels video in this stuff. Yeah, and then I just literally got a bunch of different colors of polymer clay. You guys know the drill. You guys know. If the first time watching me, I'm a polymer clay artist. So polymer clay is my main medium, as one would say as an artist, I guess. Guys, I forgot about one. I forgot about this. Ooh, that's good. So this is the end of the car vlog. I have had this car for probably about like 2 months now, and I have been just enjoying it so much, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the car while I show you the car and what I got and why I got it. And yeah, so I got a 2026 Hyundai Sonata. It's in this like shiny blue color. It kind of looks gray in some lighting, and then it kind of looks blue in the other lighting. I got it mainly because it has the heated and cooling seats. It has a big sunroof, which I love. It has a light interior with a light outside. Some of the cars they make apparently don't come in a light interior and a light outside paint. So I got a hybrid car. I did that because I wanted to save money on gas, obviously. The car has lane assist, which is really cool. So it kind of like keeps you in the lines. Like, I was on the 401 for about 45 minutes just driving somewhere, and it just, you barely really have to steer. You have to keep your hands on the wheels. Like, it's not a self-driving car, but it basically just steers the wheel for you so that you can kind of, you don't have to like grip the wheel while you're driving on road trips and stuff, which is really, really cool. I also loved the big screen, how it was one big screen. I didn't really love how some cars had like a tiny little box screen and then a separate screen for everything else. I fell in love with the big screen. I think that the Kia K5 or something, Kia K5 or Kia K4, I think had the same thing. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I was looking at those cars and they had like the big screen as well. I just love the tech that Hyundai has. I know some people don't love Hyundai, and some people are, everyone is so mixed opinions about every single car brand. It's insane. Personally, just this is just the car that I fell in love with, and I absolutely love it. I really wanted to bring you guys along on this journey because having a car for me was such a stressful situation that I had to go through, and having a car is a privilege, and I'm so happy and excited that I get to experience this car and have a nice car, and just, you know, I'm grateful enough to be able to pay for it and enjoy it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I feel like you guys are normally used to my artist vlogs, but I wanted to keep this video as a memory for me when I get older as well, when I got my first ever like big purchase. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them. And yeah, that's it for me. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.